Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to handle software requests. So I'm going to ring the IT guy, okay? Hello.
Thank you for contacting Service Desk IT. How may I help you?
Hi, my name is Nihal Singh and I wanted to request some application if you could help me for that.
Yeah, sure. Will you please help me with your employee ID?
It's 55768.
Okay. Please help me with your manager name also.
Sam Smith.
Okay.
But this application I need for myself, not for my manager.
Yeah, I got it. But for the security perspective, we need such informations.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah. So allow me a moment so that I can order software for you.
Okay.
May I know which software you want?
Microsoft Visio Professional, I need that.
Okay, I got it.
So, are you going to install this application in my PC now?
No, not now. I just create an order for you in reference to this application,
Okay,
and a request number has been generated by this application.
okay.
So please note down the request number, and already you will receive this request number through email also. So the
Okay, just
request
send me
number
email
is
because there is nothing I can just note it down. I just outside of company and I'm just calling from my phone, so the
no
notepad is
problem.
not handy. So you can just send me email so I can check that later on.
So this request number will be sent to your email ID. It's an automated generated email
Okay,
process, and after the confirmation and approval from your manager, this request will be forwarded to the respective team, and they will help you with the further proceedings.
okay. Any estimated time to get this software installed in my machine? Anytime? Any? I mean, time?
Yeah.
Any
So,
1 day, 2 day, 3 day? How much time it takes?
so the maximum time process has been according to the SLA is 3 working days. So after the approval from your manager, the respective team will proceed within 3 working days.
All right. Thank you. I got you.
Yeah, thank you for contacting us. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.
Yeah, you too.